Hey guys, so, you do not want to see my new nab, do you? Yes, you want to see it? Ah, no, you can't see it, you can't, there's nothing suspicious. There is nothing suspicious. You left the shot, dude, now we have to look over. Wait, no, 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 please stop. There's nothing, see? Oh, it's such a cute doggy. Fine, an experiment went wrong and the dog got teleported here. Hey, anyways, so, I think it's hilarious. The dog got teleported in your lab. Have you moved any potions into— No, I haven't yet. Good thing, too. Yeah, who knows what would happen? I think she's cute. How do you know it's a girl? We've been with her for a little while, and the owner did say it's a she. That's true. Anyways, so we're gonna move her, like, right there, but we don't know how. So, be right back. Wait a minute, we still haven't done the intro. So let me get the intro. I'm on it. While he's getting the intro, you can stare at the cute, adorable puppy. I don't see it. Where is it? I think I found it, but I'm not quite sure. I think I found it. Well, come on. Can't wait all day. I'm here, but I still can't find the intro. Hurry up. I don't think they're buying the cute puppy anymore. Or are they? Here you go. Yoshi's Island Adventures. Din-din-din. Okay, there we go. Now this is officially a Yoshi's Island episode. So yeah. So what are we gonna do with the dog? Yoshi, everybody back off. I'm sitting on his head. Ow. Oh, Yoshi, go. Back. Here, okay. Yellow, here. Pink. Yoshi. Blue Yoshi, get away from the dog, please. Oh, but he's so cute. Yo. Come here. I know. Where is it? Where is it? Aha. Man, this is heavy. Dog can't resist a nice treat. Come here, baby girl. Come over here. Come here, baby. Come on. Come here. Look. Cutie. That sort of worked. But now how do we get her out of the doorway? next episode she'll be gone, and yes, so see you all next time. She is actually pretty cute though, but I can't get him. Maybe I can. God, no, I can't. Okay, end this video.